Hey, what's going on, everybody? I got another Snack Nation box for y'all, and this is the April edition. So let's crack this one open and see what's in there. Clean and bright. Very nice.
ZZ's Strawberry Grams, all green.
Alright, let's give it a shot. Where are these? These are, there you go. Just another close-up right here. There you go.
They're good. Strawberry cookies.
Oh. Spring flavor. I like it. Alright, what's next? Alright, so we have soft and tasty Chalk PB protein bar. Alright, let's see. This ain't bad. Tastes like how do I explain it properly? Power bar that's kind of filled with peanut butter. That's what it tastes like to me. Alright, moving on. We have World Cuisine Saffron Road Crunchy Chickpeas with sea salt. Check that out.
I like these already.
Looks nice to me.
No, it looks nice to me, not you.
Alright. Not sharing, I see. That's different. Tastes like popcorn kernels with a little bit of salt. It's interesting. It's vegan. So in case you're wondering, it is vegan.
Still tastes like chickpeas to me.
Yep.
Next we have a chocolate chip cookies, wheat and gluten-free by Wow Baking Company.
Alright. Let's see.
I wonder what this is gonna be.
Need some help opening?
No. It's a different packaging. Take a small bit. What the?
Wow. Pretty.
Not bad.
It's not bad.
It's different. I mean, I like it, but
It is different. It's I'll show you right here. It's like it's kind of thick right there. And it has like it's soft and it has the chocolate chips in there. So it's not bad tasting. Not a lot of sugar, which is pretty good. So because sugar's not all that great for you, anyways.
veggie chips. The daily crave. Some more daily chips. Veggie chips, not daily chips. I like this packaging though. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
It looks like a newspaper. Look at this. It's got like stuff on the side talking about them. MMA fight. It's pretty cool.
Let's show them the entire bag. Right there. And then this is the back. Right there. And then we're going to crack it open.
You can crack it open.
Okay.
I just ain't really liking that.
There we go.
I already know how veggie chips taste like, so I'm putting them.
They're not bad. Like your regular veggie chips.
But not as salty. I like that.
Not as salty. You know, of course, because they're veggie chips, there's not a whole lot of taste, but still not bad.
Papa's Skinless Popcorn Pops. Sweet and salty.
Alright, let's show them what we got. There you go.
Alright. Going to spill out.
Right.
These look really weird.
Yeah.
You can see that on my hand.
Skinless
look
popcorn.
like-
I've never had this before.
Me either.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
That's interesting. I like that.
It's got an interesting soft texture to it.
That's good. I actually like that.
So it says, what is skinless?
There's no kernels. Or those are.
Yeah, so basically they just took out the kernel and put some, you know, salt and sugar on it. That's about it. But it tastes pretty good though. I like it.
Parm chip, crisp. I don't know what I said. Chips. Parm crisp. I'm guessing these are, yeah, it is the cheese snacks. These are like the little cheese things. Like a chip. It's like when you get a grilled cheese and you have the cheese that melts out and gets on the little pan and it turns hard. This is what it is basically.
Okay.
It's good. I always use that. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I can see what you're saying.
It's good.
Tastes pretty good. I can see myself buying that whole bag of this.
We'll do this one last, my favorite one. Because we always get this last item. But let's do this one first.
Alright, see what we got.
Chum Fruit Bites. Apple. I'm excited to try these.
Alright, yep, me too. Let's check this out. Fruit Bites.
Triangle. What are they doing?
Okay. So here's what they look like. Little triangles right there.
Really good.
Yeah, actually it is. It says 100% wild. No fake stuff.
That's
Cool.
good. I like that.
I like that a lot.
Last item. We usually always get beef jerky, so we got another one. This is Mandarin Orange Teriyaki. All natural beef jerky. And I love beef jerky.
Alright, let's see. I know, it seems like we get like a different flavor each time, you know?
Or something brand new.
Right, that we haven't tried before.
Okay, let's just...
Yeah, let's break it apart. Yep, that's fine. You can taste like a hint of mandarin orange.
That's the point. I like that.
Yeah. It's not bad at all, actually. And it looks like they have, you know, other jerky flavors right there.
I didn't want the
There you go.
teriyaki to be overpowering. I'm glad.
And it's not. I
teriyaki.
like that.
The orange, sorry. I didn't want that Mandarin orange to be overpowering the teriyaki.
Yep.
Because I like teriyaki. So
Yep.
it's perfect.
Yeah, it's an interesting take on beef jerky, but I like it. Not bad. So we got a good bit of variety of snacks in here, and you know, I gotta say, actually, I like this box as well. It was quite tasty, and that's pretty much it for this particular video. Now there will be another snack box video, not Snack Nation, but there's going to be another snack box video coming up soon, so be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.